Hello everyone and welcome back to Silolite Healing. So let us check what are your person's energies and messages for you. What are they wanting to convey? What are your spirit guides wanting to let you know? Okay, so I've already shuffled up the cards. We have Knight of Wands. So this could be a case where your person is a fire sign. It could be Sagittarius, Leo or Aries. If not, then if the messages are resonating with you and the connection or your situation with this person, please take it. Otherwise, let it go. Okay. So आपके केस में ऐसा हो सकता है कि आप या फिर आपके पर्सन ज़्यादा ही पैशनेट है, फायरी एनर्जी उनमें ज़्यादा है. दैट कुड बी अ केस. दे आर ओवर एक्साइटेड ऑलवेज, और मे बी दे आर ऑलवेज एक्साइटेड वन इन द कनेक्शन. ओके, दे माइट बी ओवर प्रोटेक्टिव, ओवर पजेसिव, over loving, over nurturing, over caring, while the other person, that could be you or your person, okay, so take it as it fits. You could be the patient one or the calmer one, okay, so ये हो सकता है आपके केस में. So as we say, the opposites attract always. So that's what you share with this person, okay. And आपके पर्सन पैशनेट है डेफिनेटली, लेकिन वो एक पेशेंट एनर्जी भी कैरी करते हैं उनके साथ, ओके, where they want to take things slow with you, but they want to keep the passion and the spark alive in the connection. Yeah, this could be the case, okay. They want to have a good solid foundation of your connection, okay. It should be very strong, the foundation, the bond that you share. It should be very strong, it should be unbreakable. That's what they think, that's what they feel, that's what they want. Secondly, आपके जो person है वो calm and composed भी हो सकते हैं, okay. वो बाहर से we can say that they are the excited one, and you know they always carry passion with them. और maybe जब भी वो किसी एक रूम में एंटर होते हैं या फिर किसी के भी लाइफ में एंटर होते हैं, किसी से मिलते भी है, then the room is full of happiness, or maybe is filled with joy and laughter. Yeah, that's what your person carries with them, okay. So this could be the energy of your person. जहाँ पे भी जाते हैं, they spread positivity, smile, laughter, happiness, joy, and they want a solid foundation with you, okay. They want a good connection with you, a bond which is unbreakable, जो easily shake कोई ना कर सके, okay. Any third party, any other situations, ऐसा उनको आपके साथ एक bond चाहिए, okay. Secondly, आप या फिर आपके पर्सन, you are stopping yourself from moving forward with the connection. I don't know why, but yeah, there are certain things happening. It could be your inner struggles or inner fears, past relationships, past experiences, or the fear of showing how vulnerable you can get when it comes to this connection and maybe the person. ये आपको दिखाने से डर लगता है. Why? Because you have always been hurt in the past. It could be a case, okay. So if it resonates, take it. It could be a case कि आप जब भी पास में अपना इमोशंस शो करते थे, एक्सप्रेस करते थे, यू हैव बीन टेकन फॉर ग्रांटेड, और मे बी इट हैज़ नेवर वर्कड आउट फॉर यू, ओके. एंड नाउ यू आर फियरफुल अबाउट द सेम थिंग. आप डरते हैं अपनी वल्नरेबल साइड दिखाने से. आप डरते हैं कि आपके इमोशंस कहीं ज़्यादा इंटेंस ना हो जाए, ओके. एंड वॉट इफ इट डजंट वर्क आउट, दैट्स वॉट यू आर अफ्रेड ऑफ, ओके. नेक्स्ट वी हैव इज 8 of Wands. So communication, you both want to communicate, you both want to and we also have Knight of Cups. Yeah, so the male figure or maybe the boy here, okay, so this is not a gender based reading, so take it how it fits. लेकिन उनको आपके पर्सन को कम्युनिकेट करना है. इवन यू विश टू, you want to communicate with this person. Maybe you are wanting to send a message or text, you want to text this person, you want to call this person, you maybe a handwritten note you are wishing to send this person, or maybe wanting to write a letter to this person, or maybe you have already written a letter for this person or to this person, okay. And you're waiting to just tap the send button on your phone, okay. आप type करते, you go on typing and then you go on cancelling the same, or maybe certain things are happening in the connection. Why? Because you are fearful about certain, you are holding back yourself from approaching, or maybe typing a text as well, okay. So ये सारी एनर्जीज आपकी हो सकती है, आपके पर्सन की हो सकती है. मे बी यू एंड द पर्सन दैट यू आर डीलिंग विथ, यू बोथ आर फियरफुल अबाउट सर्टन थिंग्स, एंड यू बोथ आर अफ्रेड ऑफ कम्युनिकेटिंग, क्योंकि आपको लगता है कि पास्ट के इश्यूज वापस से आ जाएंगे आपके कनेक्शन में. लेकिन इट्स ऑल्सो नेसेसरी एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम टू कम्युनिकेट. दैट्स ऑल्सो वॉट यू फील, ओके. एंड अभी नहीं किया, देन यू ऑल्सो फियर लूजिंग दिस पर्सन. या सो आपको ये डर लगता है कि थर्ड पार्टी है आपके सिचुएशन में या फिर आपके पर्सन के लाइफ में, ओके. सो यू वांट टू कम्युनिकेट, बट यू आर जस्ट ट्राइंग टू, you are just waiting for the right time. Yeah, that's what I'm getting, okay. So and if you are waiting for a text from this person, okay, then it's going to come very 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 soon, because they also wish to communicate with you. And if you are waiting for a confirmation that and if you are wondering whether I should go and text her or him or not, this could be a sign. Yeah, this is a positive sign. If you want, you can just go. It's 12:12. Yeah, so you can definitely go and text this person, or maybe have a talk with this person. Okay. Flowers could be important. Letters, handwritten notes could be important. A sound healing bowl, Tibetan bowl, जो हम use करते हैं sound healing के लिए, that also could be important for you. Radio, music could be important. I don't know. These all are the significant messages that I'm picking up today. Wands, so fire. Again, fire could be important. Horse, white horse, significantly could be important in the connection, or maybe for you. Okay, black color could be important. Black shirt, black t-shirt could be important for you, or sport shoes as well. Okay, so these are the important messages or signs that I'm picking up. So we also have black horse here and white horse here. So you are trying to find balance. You are trying to balance the poles. Okay, balance things between the two of you. So जैसे मैंने बोला कि आप ऐसे qualities carry करते होंगे जो इस person से थोड़े बहुत opposite हो सकते हैं, differ कर सकते हैं. Okay, and you both are trying to make things balanced, and that's a good thing. Okay, so these were my messages for you guys. I hope they resonated well with you. I'll be back with another reading soon. Till then, take care, stay blessed, bye bye.